Good morning students, welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. I myself Devesh Kumar, your mathematics teacher. Today I am going to teach you some problems of exercise 7C. So let us start. First we discuss some remaining question of 7B and after that we discuss exercise 7C. Here first question, divide 184 into two parts such that 1/3 of one part may exceed 1/7 of other part by 8. In language question, first read one or two times and after that you solve. So here divide 184 into two parts. The first we let first part be x. The second part, the complete here given 184, so 184 minus x. Both parts added, lastly we find out 184. According to question, divide 184 into two parts such that 1/3 of one part means 1/3x may exceed equal sign exceed 1/7 of other part 1/7. Here other part is 184 minus x. Exceed means use plus sign by 8. There write 8. Is it clear? 1/3x. Here remove the bracket. 1/7 into 184 minus 1/7 into x plus 8. By transposition 1/3x plus 1/7x. 7 2 ja 14. 7 2 ja 14, not divisible. The right same 7 184. So here write 184 upon 7 plus 8. Is it clear? Here take the LCM 3 and 7, 21. 21 divided by 3, we get 7 plus 3x is equal to, take the LCM 7 and 1, 7. Here 184 plus 56. Okay, here write 7 plus 3 10x upon 21 is equal to 184 plus 56. So we added, get 6 plus 4 10 carry 1, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 5 14 carry 1, 1 plus 1 2 upon 7. Here is the cross multiplication concept. 240 into 21. Therefore x is equal to 240 into 21 upon 10 into 7. 0 0 cancel out. 7 3 ja 21. 24 3 ja 72. So hence first part be 72 and second part be 184 minus x. Here x is equal to 72. We get 112. Lastly we get first part is equal to 72, second part is equal to 112. This is your required answer. Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, a sum of 500 rupees is in the form of denominations of 5 rupees and 10 rupees. If the total number of notes is 90, find the number of notes of each type. The first we let number of 5 rupees notes. is equal to x. Next, number of 10 rupees notes. The total number of notes here given 90. The 5 rupees note x, the 10 rupees notes 90 minus x. Is it clear? According to question, here 5 rupees note x, the x into 5 total, plus here 10 rupees notes 90 minus x into 10 rupees, completely denomination denoted by equal to 500 rupees. Again, number of 5 rupees note x, the x into 5 rupees, plus number of 10 rupees notes 90 minus x into 10, total in the value of x represent total. In rupees, total given here 500 is equal to 500. All in rupees, here rupees, that does not change. So here 5 into x, 5x plus 90 into 10, 900, 10 into x minus 10x is equal to 500. 5x minus 10x, we get minus 5x, 500 minus 900. Therefore, x is equal to minus 400 upon minus 5. Minus cancel out. 5 8 jab 40, 0. We lastly get x is equal to 80. Is it clear? Hence, number of 5 rupees notes, relate x. So here x is equal to 80. Is it clear? Number of 10 rupees notes is equal to 90 minus x, means 90 minus 80. We get 10. Lastly, we find out number of 5 rupees notes 80 and number of 10 rupees notes 10. This is your required answer. Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, a laborer is engaged for 20 days on the condition that he will receive 120 for each day. He works and will be fined 10 rupees for each day he is absent. If he received 1818 all, for how many days did he remain absent? The first we let number of absent days. So here absent days we let x. Is it clear? The laborer is engaged for 20 days on the condition. So here find number of present days. So here total days given 20 or absent days x. The present days 20 minus x. Is it clear? According to question, he will receive 120 rupees for each day he works. So he works 20 minus x days or receive 120 rupees. And will we find 10 rupees for each day? Will we find, in case of find we use here minus sign. 10 rupees for each day. So here total days x into 10 rupees. If he receive 1818 all, lastly he receive 1880 rupees. Is it clear? We solve first. We here remove the bracket. 120 multiply 20, we get 2400 minus 120x minus 10x is equal to 1880 minus 120x minus 10x, we get minus 130x. 1880 और 2400 go through right side, minus 2400. Is it clear? Here write minus 130x. Here we subtracted 2400 minus 1880 with minus sign. So here 0 minus 0 0, 10 minus 8 2, 13 minus 8 5, 1 minus 1 0. So here we get x is equal to minus 520 upon minus 130. Minus minus cancel out, 0 0 cancel out, 34 ja 52. So lastly x is equal to 4. Hence number of absent days is equal to, be let x. So here x is equal to 4. Lastly we find number of absent days is equal to 4. Only after the absent days. This is your required answer. Now let us discuss question number 4. In question number 4, the sum of two consecutive whole numbers is 53. Thus the smaller number is what? The first we let first whole number be x. The second whole number be, so we find x plus 1. Take any example, जैसे 4 is a whole number. Consecutive whole number we get plus 1, we get 5. According to question, the sum of two consecutive whole numbers. So here consecutive whole number given x and x plus 1. The sum we added, we get 53. The x plus x 2x, 53 minus 1. The x is equal to 52 upon 2 is equal to 26. So hence the smaller whole number is equal to 26. Here put the 26. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 5th and last question. In question number 5, the length of a rectangle is 3 times its width and its perimeter is 96 meter. The length is, the first we let the width of a rectangle is equal to x. Next, the length of a rectangle. The length of a rectangle is 3 times its width, means 3x. According to questions, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 96 meter. Is it clear? We know that perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 96 meter. 2. L is equal to 3x plus x is equal to 96. 2 into 3x plus x, 4x is equal to 96. Lastly, Vx is equal to 96 upon 2 into 4. 4 2 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16. फिर 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. Lastly, we get 12. So hence the length of a rectangle is equal to, here in x form 3x, means x put the value 12 is equal to 36 meter. Here only we find out the length of rectangle 36. Here put the value 36. Is it clear? I hope you will complete the exercise 7C with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.